Do you know you can make beautiful quilts that are just really simple to make? Today I'm going to be working on my forest floor quilt. Basically all I'm doing is joining together a whole bunch of scraps. It's just a bunch of squares sewn together into a quilt. These are all fall fabrics and I collected them over time. Every time that I was working on a quilt, I just grabbed a fabric that I thought would work on this and just cut a square and put it in my box. Welcome back to Quilting Color. My name is Shalina. I hope that you get a chance to sew along with me so that you can enter to win prizes. The pattern is from the book called Home for the Harvest, a collection of patchwork and applique by Nancy Smith and Linda Milligan. It's a beautiful quilt with patchwork squares and an applique border. I'll show this quilt to you last year, and these are the rows that we sewed together. And so today I'm just going to add to this so I can get my forest floor quilt finished. This quilt was supposed to have an applique border, but I didn't save fabrics for the applique. I may add some fabric to this quilt, cut some squares out of it, and then also save some of it for the border. And that way there's some repetition, there's some repeats from the squares into the border so that it looks like a coherent piece. But for now I think I'm just going to sew some more squares together to make this quilt bigger. And I'm just sewing them into twos because that will give me more options to add other fabric in between there.
so short and thin. When it is so tired, it drops and then I win. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. My dreidel always playful, it loves to dance and spin. A happy game of dreidel, come play now, let's begin. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. And when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play.
Fifteen, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 pairs. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the progress on this forest floor quilt. I hope that you had a chance to sew for at least 15 minutes today during this 15 minutes to quilt challenge. And if you did, be sure to enter for prizes. I'm giving away 2 copies of a book that I wrote especially for quilters, and I think that you're going to find it really useful. It's really easy to enter to win for the prizes. The first way is if you had a chance to sew for at least 15 minutes today, just leave a comment to let me know what you worked on today and how much you got done. The second way to enter to win is simply to watch this video, and if you did that, just leave a comment letting me know something that happened in the video today, and you'll get the second entry. I'll leave a link to yesterday's video here in case you missed that. I always put resources in the description box for anything that you might need, such as the link to the kickoff video, links to any previous videos about this quilt, any supplies that you might need, anything that I think will be useful for you. I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Hanukkah and any other holidays that you celebrate. I hope that you get to enjoy the warmth and comfort of your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of your support, and I hope to see you again tomorrow.